Okay, what's up guys? So this is such an exciting day. We've got Lowe's behind me, delivering our cabinets, our tub, our toilet, our vanity, so much stuff taking place. They've gotten the windows for the front end, and that's the kitchen right there. That plywood is gonna make the window a little bit shorter because we're doing a floating table in the kitchen. So a lot of stuff taking place. This is a little bit of a shorter episode just because the first few days they were doing some siding repair. So let's just see what they're doing, and I'll keep you up to date. Okay, so if you remember on the last episode, I said that that color was a little bit too light from what we had before. Well, we ended up changing the color, and behind me is what it looks like now. So let's take a quick look at it, and I think you guys are gonna like it. Kitchen's demoed. If you remember, this was the water closet, the water heater, and furnace closet. They've moved the furnace out. A piece of it is right there, and it's gonna go into the garage again. This water heater is going in this closet, and we're gonna have the new stove, side counter, and then microwave above where this was. Still trying to figure out the logistics of this up here because it gives you access to the attic. So obviously they've got to flesh this out and make it look really nice and clean and neat. But yeah, let me just take a step back, give you guys the full view. A little hard to see, we've got a lot going on in here, but it just looks so much bigger. So if you're looking behind me, the color is a lot darker, and I think it looks a lot better. It's going to look great with the black shutters, the white trim, the new concrete, the new landscaping. Let me know what you guys think. That's going to be it for this episode. Again, comment below what you think about this color behind me, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.